Hi, John. I hope you're having a good day. This is Hariharan from Geckoboard. So, I quickly want to demo um, how you can display your employees and their status today using a script that I've created. So, let's get started with that. I'll explain the script as we go along. So, first, let me make a copy of your sheet. Let's call this Hariharan's copy of Noteboard. I'll go ahead and delete this function from here, but we'll be using something pretty similar. Let's say this is weekday today for script, and um, today's schedule for Geckoboard. Right, so I have my script here and the function that we'll be using. I'll be sharing this with you so you can simply copy paste them. Under weekday today, you can paste this function. It responds back with a number corresponding to the weekday in a particular format. And now let's go to Tools, Script Editor. Let's copy this small script, replace anything that's there, and save it. Let's call this the schedule script. Once that's saved, run the script. At times, Google throws an error when you run it initially. Just save the script again and run. You'll have to grant access to the particular spreadsheet. So let me do that. Make sure you land on the or open up the script editor from the particular sheet that you have the data in. Okay, so you should do that from Tools, Script Editor, from the particular script from the particular sheet that you have the data in. Right, so the script has run and it has generated today's schedule, but you notice it's all blank, and that's because we're getting 6 today and it's a Saturday today. So it has we don't have any data to display for Saturday. So what we could do is, for just demoing purposes, let's manually change this to 5. So that's Friday. And let's run the script again. Yeah, you can see it's pulled in Friday's value. Let's try Tuesday. So visitors should be O2 and Charlotte should be on holiday. Let's run the script again. Yep, visitors O2, Charlotte, holiday. Great. So now that this is working, let's get things a bit more fine-tuned. The first thing, we want to have this run automatically. So go to resources, current projects triggers. Let's set one up. Every 6 hours should be fine because there's not really a need for refreshing the data further than that. And let's say when the day changes, by the time you come in the morning, you should have the updated schedule already ready. So 6 hours, every 6 hours, let's save that. Let's now go to Geckoboard. Let's add a widget. We're looking for the spreadsheets one. Hariharan's copy of an artboard. We'll be using the leaderboard. Let's scroll over and select the particular cells. Yep. Let's call this today's shed. I'm choosing the 1:3 size. The first cell contains a header, yes. So I'll leave that selected. Add to dashboard. You can see it displays the list of employees and their status for today. It's not in the exact order, like Tom is second here, he's last here, but that's because how the leaderboard functions. But you will have all your employees listed here. Great. A couple of more things. So if I add values, let's say Hariharan for Tuesday is holiday, Louis for Tuesday is in. Okay. Let's run the script again. Yep, these are automatically picked up. So whenever you add any new employees, the script will take care of it. On your Geckoboard dashboard, there are two ways you can handle this. Either each time you add new employees, you can come edit the widget and select the additional, people. Let me reload the spreadsheet. In normal usage of your dashboard, the widget would refresh every 10 minutes and pick up new data. But since we're testing, let's just manually force the reload. Yeah, so you can edit the widget and select the new employees that you added, or you can just select a few extra rows while setting up the widget. So anytime you add new employees, they'll automatically be picked up. If you select a row with no values, that's a blank value, they won't display on the leaderboard. So if it's just blank, it shouldn't affect the leaderboard getting displayed. So I'm going to select, yeah, from here until the last row, the row number 18, which is not really visible, but that's a blank row. So we can test it out and save. Yep, yeah, there's Louise and then there's Hariharan here. Yep, so pretty much working as expected. For now, I'll go and delete these two values. One thing to remember is the script is very much dependent on how the spreadsheet is laid out. So if you're going to change the layout of the spreadsheet, you'll have to modify the script accordingly. I have left some comments here that should help you with it, on what each line of the script does. If you do plan on modifying the layout of the sheet, and you're not able to change the script accordingly, you can let me know, and I'll be happy to take a look again. And the last point is, if you want to change the separator that's here, you can simply use something else, and save the script, run. Right? Yep, you can have a different, the separator between the employee and their status. And just another thing I wanted to mention, you notice that this is taking up only a single widget. It's not an overlapping widget or anything like that, and it's the 1 by 3 size, so you have space for more widgets on your dashboard. Right. Okay. So I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions or get stuck somewhere, just let me know, and I'll be glad to assist further. Cheers. Bye bye.